Hello guys, today we will discuss about the top 50 interview questions and answers. If you are going for the interview as a fresher, then please go through these questions because they are very important questions. First question, what is database management system or what is DBMS? DBMS stands for database management system. Actually it is a program that controls creation, maintenance and use of a database. Database management system can be termed as file manager that manages data in a database rather than saving it in file system. So it is like as a file manager which store the data into a database, not in the file system. What is RDBMS? RDBMS stands for Relational Database Management System. It stores the data into the collection of tables which is related by common fields between the column of the table. It also provides relational operator to manipulate the data stored in the table. Question number 3. What is SQL? SQL stands for Structured Query Language. It is used to communicate with the database. This is a standard language used to perform tasks such as retrieval, updation, insertion, deletion of data from a database. So we will read about some few commands, SQL commands: select, insert, update, etc. What is a database? Database is nothing but an organized form of data for easy access, storing, retrieval and managing of data. This is also known as structured form of data which can be accessed in many ways. Example, school management database, bank management database and so many. Question number 5. What are tables and fields? A table is a set of data that are organized in a model with columns and rows. Columns can be categorized as vertical and rows are horizontal. A table has a specified number of columns called fields but can have number of rows which is called record. Example, table employee. If the column name is employee ID, employee name, date of birth, these are the fields, and data is record, like data means 201456 belongs to employee ID, David belongs to employee name and date belongs to date of birth. What is a primary key? A primary key is a combination of fields which is uniquely specify a row. This is a special kind of unique key and it has implicit not null constant. It means primary keys values cannot be null. So primary key is a combination of two keys, unique key as well as not null key. Now what is unique key? A unique key constant uniquely identify each record in the database. This provides uniqueness for the column or set of columns. A primary key constant has automatically unique constant defined on it, but not in the case of unique key. There can be many unique constant defined per table, but only one primary key constant defined per table. So in a table we can define so many unique keys. It depends on the columns, but we can declare only one primary key per table. What is a foreign key? A foreign key is one table which can be related to the primary key of another table. Relationship needs to be created between two tables by referring foreign key with the primary key of another table. So foreign key is like as a reference in between the two tables to make a combination in between the two tables. What is a join? This is a keyword used to query data from more tables based on the relationship between the fields of the tables. Keys plays a major role when joins are used. So this topic is very important if you are going for the interview as a fresher. What are the types of join and explain each? So there are various types of joins which can be used to retrieve data and it depends on the relationship between tables. So we are here for 4 types of joins. Inner join. Inner join returns rows where there is at least one match of rows between the tables. Right join. Right join returns rows which are common between the tables and all rows of right hand side table. Simply it returns all the rows from the right hand side table even though there are no matches in the left hand side table. Left join. Left join is the vice versa of right join. Full join. Full join is the combination of all the tables, means table A and table B, with all the left hand side column as well as right hand side column. What is normalization? Normalization is the process of minimizing redundancy and dependency by organizing fields and tables of a database. The main aim of normalization is to add, delete, or modify fields that can be made in a single table. What is denormalization? Denormalization is just opposite to the normalization. Denormalization is a technique used to access the data from higher to lower normal forms of database. It is also a process of introducing redundancy into a table by incorporating data from the related tables. What are all the different normalizations? So generally it is not a most important question if you are going as a fresher for the interview, but you have to know how many types of forms. So you can see here there are 5 types of forms. First norm form 1NF, second normal form 2NF, third normal form 3NF, fourth normal form 3NF. What is a view? A view is also important. View is a virtual table which consists of a subset of tables contained in a table. View are the virtually present and it takes less space to store. You can have data of one or more tables combined and it is depending on the relationship. So what actually view is? View is a virtual thing which we create on the tables. What is an index? An index is a performing tuning method of allowing faster retrieval of records from the table. An index creates an entry for each value and it will be faster to retrieve data. What are all the different types of indexes? So indexes are of 3 types: unique index, clustered index and non-clustered index. What is a cursor? So cursor is also important topic if you are going as a fresher. So a database cursor is a control which enables transversal over the rows or records in the table. This can be viewed as a pointer to one row in a set of rows. Cursor is very much useful for transferring such as retrieval, addition or removal of database records. What is a relationship and what are they? So this is also not a very big question. So you can ignore this question also, but you have to know what is this. So there are 4 types of relationship: one-to-one, one-to-many, many-to-one, self-referencing relationship. What is a query? A database query is a code written in order to get the information back from the database. Query can be designed in such a way that it matches with the expectations of the result set. Simply a question to the database. So query is like as a question which you are asking to the database. I suppose I want to this data from this table, then it is giving the output. What is a subquery? A subquery is a query within another query. The outer query is called as a main query and the inner query is called subquery. Subquery is also executed first and the result is subquery is passed on the main query. So you need to know subquery is always executed first. So first subquery will be executed, then you can say the main query will be executed later. What are the types of subquery? So there are 2 types of subquery: correlated and non-correlated. What is a stored procedure? Stored procedure is a function consists of many SQL statements to access the database system. Several SQL statements are consolidated into a stored procedure and execute them whenever and wherever required. What is a trigger? A database trigger is a code or a program that automatically executes with response to some event on a table or view in a database. Milli trigger helps to maintain the integrity of the database. Example: when a new student is added to the student database, new records should be created in the related table like exam, score, attendance tables like this. What is the difference between delete and truncate? So delete command is used to remove rows from the table and where clause can be used for conditional set of parameters. Commit and rollback can be performed after delete statement, but in truncate remove all rows from the table in a single sort. Truncate operation cannot be rolled back. So if we delete the data, then we need to use commit after deletion, otherwise it will not delete permanently. What are local and global variables and their difference? Local variables are the variables which can be used or exist inside the function. They are not known to other functions and those variables cannot be referred or used. Variables can be created whenever that function is called. Global variables are the variables which can be used or exist throughout the program. Same variables declared in the global cannot be used in functions. Global variables can be created whenever the function is called. What is a constant? So this topic is also very important. So please go through this. Constant can be used to specify the limit on the database or data type of the table. Constant can be specified while creating or altering the table statement. Sample of constants are, these all are the constant names: not null, check, default, unique, primary key, foreign key. What is data integrity? Data integrity defines the accuracy and consistency of data stored in a database. It can also define integrated constant to enforce business rules on the data when it is entered into the application or database. What is auto increment? Auto increment keyword allows the user to create a unique number to be generated when a new record is inserted into the table. Auto increment keyword can be used in Oracle, and identify keyword can be used in SQL Server. Mostly this keyword can be used whenever primary key is used. What is the difference between cluster and non-cluster index? Cluster index is used for easy retrieval of data from the database by altering the way that the records are stored. Database sorts out rows by the column which is said to be clustered index. A non-clustered index doesn't alter the way it was stored but creates a complete separate object within the table. It points back to the original table rows after searching. What is data warehouse? So this is also very important topic. Data warehouse is a central repository of the data from multiple sources of information. Those data are consolidated, transformed and made available for the mining and online processing. Warehouse data have a subset of data called data marts. What is self-join? Self-join is said to be query used to compare to itself. So this is used to compare values in a column with other values in the same column in the same table. Alias can be used for the same table operations. What is cross-join? Cross-join like as a Cartesian product where numbers of rows in the first table multiplied by the number of rows in the second table. If suppose where clause is used in cross-join, then the subquery will work like as an inner join. What is user-defined function? User-defined function are the functions written to use that logic wherever required or whenever required. It is not necessary to write the same logic several times. Instead, functions can be called or executed whenever needed. What are all types of user-defined functions? So three types of user-defined functions are scalar function, inline table used valuable function, multi-statement valuable function. Scalar returns unit variant define the returns clause. Other two types return table as a return. So scalar returns unit while other will return as a return. What is collation? Collation is defined as set of rules that determines how character data can be sorted or compared. This can be used to compare A and other languages characters and also depends on the width of the character. ASCII value can be used to compare these character with data. What are the different types of collation sensitivity? If you are going as a fresher, then it is not important, but as an experienced guy you need to know what all the different types of sensitivity. So there are generally four types of sensitivity: case sensitivity, accent sensitivity, Kena sensitivity, width sensitivity. Advantage and disadvantage of stored procedure. So stored procedure can be used as a modular programming, means create once, store and call for several times whenever required. So no need to create again and again. We can create once and we can call so many times. This supports faster execution instead of executing multiple queries. This reduced network traffic and provide better security to the data. Disadvantage is that it can be executed only in the database and utilizes more memory in the database server. What is online transaction processing? It is also very important. OLTP. This is a data warehouse concept. So please go through this. OLTP manage transaction-based application which can be used for data entry and easy retrieval processing of data. This processing makes life easier or simplicity and efficiency. It is faster, more accurate, result and expenses with respect to OTLP. OTLP example, bank transactions on a daily basis. What is clause? SQL clause is defined to limit the result set by providing condition to the query. This usually filters some rows from the whole set of records. Example, query that has where condition, query that has having condition. What is recursive stored procedure? A stored procedure which calls by itself until it reaches some boundaries condition. This recursive function or procedure helps programmers to use same set of code any number of times. What is union, minus, or interact commands? So this is also very important. If you know about joins, then you need to know about this also. Union operator is used to combine the results of two tables and it eliminates duplicate records from the table. Minus operator is used to return all the it is used to return rows from the first query but not from the second query. Matching records of data and from the first query and second query cannot be displayed. So it will show only the difference between the first query and the second query from the first query. Intersect operator is used to return the rows returned by both the queries. What is an alias command? Alias is like as a nickname that can be given to a table or a column. This alias name can be referred in where clause to identify the column or column table. What is the difference between truncate and drop statement? Truncate is used to delete all the rows, or you can say it is used to delete all the data from the table. But drop command is used to drop the table, means that is used to delete the table and as table data as well as its structure. What are aggregate and scalar functions? So aggregate functions are used to evaluate mathematically calculation and return single values. This can be calculated from the columns in a table. Scalar functions returns a single value based on the input value. Here you can see aggregate functions are max, count, which is used for the calculation of numeric, while scalar is used for the string. How can you create an empty table from an existing table? So this is a very select star into student, copy from student where 1 is equal to 2. This is a way you can create an empty table from an existing table. How to select unique records from a table? So there are two types. Select unique records from a table by using distinct keyword. You can write the query select distinct. Suppose there is a table called employee, so select distinct e number from table name emp. So you can write the query select distinct e number from emp. Which operator is used in query for pattern matching? So we generally use two types of patterns. Like operator is used for performing matches. It can be used as percentage and underscore. Percentage match 0 or more characters, underscore matching exactly one character. Here you can see example. Select star from students where student name like A%. So it will start from A, but it will search all the numbers which are starting from the A. In second query you can see select star from student where student name like AMI underscore. So it will go first for A, first three words AMI, then fourth words should be anyone. How to fetch common records from two tables? Select student ID from student by using intersect keywords. I told you earlier that intersect is the keyword which is used to fetch the data in between the two tables. How to fetch alternate records from a table? Record can be fetched for both odd and even rows numbers. To display even numbers, select student number from select row number student ID from student where mod. Here we will use mod row number comma 2 is equal to 0. To display odd number, select the same query where mod not equal to row number 0. What is the command used to fetch first 5 characters of the strings? So there are many ways to fetch first 5 characters of the string. First one, select substring student name 1 to 5 as student from student. Second one is select write student name comma 5 as student name from student. Here you can see student name is the alias. So thanks guys for watching this video. To subscribe my channel, click on the subscribe button. Thanks for watching this video again. We'll discuss the remaining interview questions in the next video.